So this is healthy, this is vegan, this is vegetarian, this is easy. This is an Indian style vegetable fried rice. Any veg you like. I've got a lovely selection in there and some beautiful spices. Doesn't take long. It's fantastic. It's delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So let's take a look at what we have here. Now you can really play around with this. So let me point out some of the essentials. So obviously rice. Now I've got about 4 cups there of a cold cooked basmati rice. I find cold rice cooks or fries much nicer than warm or hot rice. That was actually cooked yesterday, but in the fridge. Onion, I've got about a cup of onion there, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, a tablespoon of garlic. If you wanted, you could add some fresh ginger to that as well. Fresh chili to taste. I mean, up to you what you want to put in there. Spices, here we go. We've got a teaspoon each. So I've got salt, pepper, cumin, chili, coriander, and turmeric. And again, if you don't have the separate spices, you could just use, a tablespoon of curry powder or something like that. And then the veg, like I say, you can play around with that, put what you want in. I'm going with a little bit of carrot, some peas, chickpeas, corn, broccoli, and cauliflower. And you can see I've roughly got about a cup or just over a cup of each. Yeah, think about mushrooms, celery, eggplants, zucchini, anything you like can go into this. Really simple and delicious. Okay, then let's get going. So you're going to need a wok, a frying pan or something like that, some sort of skillet. In there, I've got 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using sunflower oil, but you could change that oil to whatever you want. The heat's on, we're going to be on quite high most of the way. 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. If you wanted, add some other whole seeds like some black peppercorns, cardamom pods, there's hundreds of things you can add. A few seconds in there just to do their thing. Then we're going to drop in 1 cup of onion. To that I'm going to drop in 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic. Like I say, ginger would also be nice in this. And then I'm just going to drop in this little bit of carrot. So you want to get in your hardest vegetables. So if you're using celery, for example, get that in now. So high heat, 3 minutes, keep it moving. Fabulous. Next up, we're going to add my next 2 hardest vegetables. So that's my cauliflower and my broccoli. And I'm going for another 2 to 3 minutes, again stir frying on a high heat. So for me, I'm now going to add the rest of my vegetables. So I've got the peas. They were a frozen pea, which I just put into some cold water. Can of chickpeas. Again, rinse them through with some nice cold water. Some sweet corn. Let's give that a mix. A fabulous selection here. We're going to drop in the fresh chili. And then our spices. Let's just take a look again. 1 teaspoon each. Salt, pepper, turmeric, chili, coriander, cumin. In it goes. 2 minutes, keep it moving. Still a nice crunch on all the vegetables. Next up, and the final ingredient, is the rice. So cold cooked rice, the basmati rice. Like I say, the hot and warm rice I find doesn't fry very well. Now, you may have seen me say this before. We really need to fry the rice. I see some people just pop this in for like 2 minutes and say it's done. You need to fry it. And that means if I get a little bit of browning or blackening on the rice, I'm super happy. We're going to go for about 5 minutes. Look at that. Incredible. I'm hoping you can hear that. That crackle in there, the pop in, that's the rice frying, really important. And you can see, because we've used this cold rice, it's all nice and kind of separated, you know. Hot or warm rice hasn't really dried out, it's kind of still a bit sticky, but there you've got lovely individual pieces of rice there. Okay, off goes the heat. One more thing. You think I'm going to add coriander today or cilantro, which you could, but I'm not. I'm going with fresh mint, which I think is wonderful in there. One final little mix. I'll see you at the table. Delicious. Steaming hot, straight from the wok. Lovely, lovely, delicious, spicy, Indian style vegetable fried rice. Delicious, delicious, delicious. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. We're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really, really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.